Now, open the gate.
Bebo?
Yeah.
Bebo?
Paano sa bata yan? Kukunin yan mga bata. Liam! Come here.
Huh? I want these, the pellets. Why is this?
Liam!
I need the pellets. Only I hear the pellets.
You hear the parrot?
This way.
This way? Yeah, baba tayo.
Ow!
Oh. Ayos.
Nung nakikita ko, late lang nito eh, no?
Oo, mas kulado na.
Oo, ngayon po dyan.
Oo. Hey. Ayos. Okay. Now the doors. Sila na. Kabalita na. Wow, ang linis ng kwarto mo ah.
Baby ko.
As to mahal kita, nanay.
Halika na, bis ka na eh. Sama ka?
Saan?
Bibili pagkain. Kumain ka na?
Liam, bless nanay na.
Oh, bless up.
Bless.
Did
Now we did. Alright.
What's your backpack in there?
Up.
Oh, you look like nanay, oh.
Oh, bago,
Oh, no,
bagong
you look
pintura.
like nanay.
Mm.